moments like this when I'm here alone in the house. It just makes me miss him more. And long distance really sucks. Like, it's so hard. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today is January 3, 2021. This is like, I think, my first like official vlog of 2021. Like, for the last 2-3 days I was not vlogging because I was just pretty much spending time with my family and my friends. Some of my friends came over here. So yeah, this is gonna be the start of our new journey for the year 2021. I just literally woke up. It is 8 a.m. right now and I am here in the hammock. Now before, if you guys can remember, as soon as I wake up I always go to the back door. Now I have changed since I already have a hammock here in the terrace. So yeah, that's why I'm here. Anyway, we're gonna try to have some breakfast now. We are gonna try to heat some water since Sarah wants to have some coffee. Well, it's not really coffee, but yeah, she said she wants some hot water. There you go. So while the water is boiling, I think you guys can hear it. I'm gonna get some rice for myself. So Sarah is not having rice for breakfast. She will have energen. But since we still have some chicken from last night, that's what I'm going to eat. Hot water is done. This is what Sarah is having, energen. I used to actually like this when I was younger. It's like an oat cereal mixed with milk. Yeah, it tastes good. Then you'll just really mix it with water. And that's it. This is your biscuit? Yeah. She's having a biscuit. And me, I'm just gonna have rice. Guys, bon appetit. This is my breakfast. Got here some chicken from last night. This is what I'm gonna be having. Bon appetit. What are you watching?
Zombie.
Zombie?
Yeah.
Is it Korean?
Yeah.
The sun is not out yet and it's already 8. Normally the sun's out at like 7, but it has been raining since last night. So I just finished with breakfast and it is very gloomy today. I think it is about to rain again. It has been raining last night as well, and to be honest, it feels so good. Like, it sounds so good with the ceiling on. I think I don't have ceiling on in this house, then it would have been so loud. I don't like it when it's actually so gloomy. I just don't feel like doing anything as well. I just want to like lie in the couch or like be in the hammock, or it just makes me unproductive. I have a lot of laundry to do, but since it looks like we won't have some sunshine today, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys something. Actually, on the 2nd of January, I decided to get a karaoke. I know, which is so crazy. Well, the reason for that is because Bro and my twin, which are like my friends, they went here on the 1st and we're not really like doing anything, and then they brought a microphone and I don't have a stereo, you know. So what they did is that they just play YouTube video okay or karaoke, and then they're using the microphone that they got, and it was like so funny. If you guys do not know, Filipinos really love karaoke. So yeah, I decided to get one. It's not so costly actually, and you know, I just like wanna just get it because my sister has been so eager to have videoke here because she loves to sing as well as her husband. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Okay, so here it is now. We have here the TV and then we have here the Ruko. One of you guys suggested to plug in the Ruko at the back of the TV since I do have the USB, so that's actually good because I can use the other plug in here for the karaoke that we have. So the karaoke that I got, guys, is this. The brand is Concert. It's like, it's supposed to be concert, but yeah, they try to like replace it with K and a Z. Yeah, this is how it's looking. So you can put like the microphone in here. It's also Bluetooth, USB, and you can use the SD card. And then the stereo is here, this one and that one. This is actually like a set, and I got this for 6,000 pesos, so that's like 120 US dollars. It also comes with a microphone as well. So yeah, here is the microphone. So yeah, for the past 2-3 days, we have just been doing video, okay? We don't have the DVD where you can put like the songs in. Yeah, we don't have that. Since I do have the Ruko, so we just play it in YouTube pretty much. And then this will serve as like a stereo. So it actually works pretty well. Well, it started to rain now, guys, which is such a bummer. I need to do my laundry. Like, I don't have clothes anymore. So I'm here in the terrace, and yeah, it has to be cleaned because like there's a lot of crumbs. When Scarlett is here, there's like biscuits all over the place and some chocolates and candies and stuff. So yeah, I need to clean that up. And also, I have here my Christmas tree. I decided to put it here in the terrace since we were celebrating New Year here. I need to remove this already because, you know, it has been finished. Christmas is done, New Year's is done. But I don't have a place to actually put this thing on. Like, I know that you can like remove each of the stem. I think I'm just gonna like leave it like that, but not the balls. I'll just get the Christmas balls, and then I'll just like use it as a decor in the house. Finally finished trying to remove all the Christmas balls and Christmas decors in this tree. Now, it doesn't look like a Christmas tree anymore, to be honest, as for me anyway. So I'm gonna try to put this over there. That's how it's looking. What do you guys think? I actually like it in there. Since it's white, it goes well with the terrace. Well, it goes well with the house. That's gonna stay there because I don't have any storage. Can you guys hear the rain? Crazy. So yeah, the next thing that I'm going to do is try to sweep the floor here at the terrace. Now this has been my daily routine, like in the morning, to sweep here in the terrace, like in the living area as well, in the kitchen and stuff, which I actually enjoy. The rain decided to stop, and I'm just here chilling in the hammock. This has been my favorite things to do here in the house since I got this hammock. Anyway, so it's 2021 and I don't really know like what to do or like what's my plan, because with the pandemic that's going on, I thought that it's gonna be already finished and we can already travel and have the freedom that we had before, but I don't think that's happening really soon, which is really sad, to be honest. Like, when I heard about that there is a second strain of the virus in the UK, and that UK was on a lockdown and some of the other countries are on a lockdown as well. And then yesterday I just read in news here in the Philippines that they are banning like people from the US coming here in the Philippines, people from UK of course, and unfortunately Ireland is part of the list, which really makes me sad because our plan is to have Tom come back here in the Philippines so that we can be together again. It's not happening soon because Tom was telling me that they are on a lockdown for a month in Ireland, so I don't think he will be able to get out of the country. Oh dear, it's just like, oh, I don't know, I hate this pandemic already. I just want to have a normal life, and yeah, it's just so sad. Yeah, I really miss Tom. Sometimes like moments like this when I'm here alone in the house, it just makes me miss him more. and I don't think we will get back to normal this year, 2021, because of like the second strain that's going on. But long distance really sucks. Like, it's so hard. But you know, I'm trying to deal with it. I know I have not really shared it to you guys that much. How do I feel with Tom, like, not being here? But yeah, it has been hard for me, to be honest. And I am just like really grateful that my family is here and that I am being busy with the house, trying to do some stuff. But now that the house is already finished, it just like makes me think and wish that Tom is here. Actually, here in Cebu, it's not that bad, like the lockdown. You can already try to go around here in Bantayan, in Malboal, and like here in Cebu Island. You can still go to the other provinces, but you'll just have to go through a swab test and, you know, like the quarantines and all. I know that's not very ideal, but if Tom was just here, then we can already like travel to like Bantayan or Malboal or like somewhere just here in Cebu Island. I just really want to get out of here in the house. I am like so stuck, and you know, I'm not really complaining, to be honest, but it's just like mentally draining. I just want to get out. I just want to have my freedom back, and I just want Tom to be here as well. So yeah, it's just like makes me sad. So yeah, how about you guys? What are your plans in 2021? Let me know in the comment section down below. This second strain really sucks. I really thought that in 2021 life will get so much better, but you know, I'm still trying to be positive as the day goes by. The house is pretty much done. I just needed to do some decor inside the house, and also I need to put up the tank, and I need to put the gutter as well. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so there's that. Me trying to vent out how I really felt. Yeah. Mr. Sun decided to come out, so my to-do list will be on check today because I need to do a lot of laundry. So yeah, I'm gonna do the laundry now. I've already put water in the washing machine. I'm just gonna put in some soap. It has been a while that I did not do my laundry, actually, that's why. So I have just finished doing my laundry. I already hung it outside. So right now, I'm gonna try to cook lunch. It is already 1 p.m. and I'm quite starving. So for our lunch for today, we're gonna have eggplant with egg. So that's what I'm gonna try to cook now. Ooh. I have been like eating like chicken and pork like for the last few days, like since the holidays. So right now I'm like craving for something different. Like I want some vegetable this time. This is like my go-to dish to cook because it takes like 2 seconds to do it. Right, our eggplant is done. Yum. Alright guys, lunch has been served. Our rice is still too hot. Our eggplant is too hot as well. It's a perfect combo for a late lunch. I just finished with lunch. That was so good. Anywho, the other day when I got the karaoke, I also got some for myself. This is not a lot, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys because I have not opened them yet. It's got my face shield. Yes, face shield is still a must. Here in Cebu City, you cannot get in any establishments if you're not wearing a face shield. Or if you're gonna like try to ride a bus or a jeepney, if you don't have a face shield, yeah, you cannot get in. First thing that I got is this little guy over here. It's from Rock and Rose. This is actually like a sandal. It looks like this. It's actually super cute. I would want to get the beige color, but they ran out of size. Usually, it's hard for me to get a size for myself if I get some shoes or sandals. So this was on sale. Instead of 1,500, they mark it down to 1,300 peso, and I actually love it. Yeah, it's super cute. If you guys are wondering, I'm size 5. So yeah, it's size 35. 5 or 35. Yeah, this is going to be my gift for myself for surviving 2020. All right, and then the next thing that I got is this bag. Okay, so I got 4 stuff from Metro again, pants and like 2 tops. So I got 2 pants and 2 tops. Now look how nice it is, guys. I don't really like want to wear like jeans anymore. I just want something like this. This one is from Micaela. Micaela is also a good brand here in the Philippines. I'm not sure if this is international. I don't think so. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I got the color black as well. I got 2. And this one is 800 peso each. Yeah, I love it. Also got the black color. It's pretty much the same design. It's just like different color. Also got 2 tops that will go with these 2 bottoms that I have. And this is how it's looking. Also got the black one. Yeah, I'm pretty basic, guys. Hello y'all, good evening. Well, I took a nap and then when I woke up we had dinner. Bingo arrived here in Cebu City already, and so she gave me some chicken from Mindanao, which is super yummy. So Bingo, thank you so much. I had a good dinner. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.